There are a lot of videos on you can do this, you can do that, and the manifestation will come. But you are trying, but the manifestation is not coming. This is why you are on this video. So there is a secret I am going to share with you all, so that you can actually find it easy. Where the hell are you lacking? I am going to actually clear that blockage. Okay, my manifestation is not coming. Is it real? Is law of attraction real? This question comes in mind. Law of attraction is always working whether we know or whether we don't know, guys. But where we are lacking, I will tell you. Many people are using every sort of affirmations, watching all sorts of videos, YouTube videos from all kind of YouTubers. Okay, I just want to reveal the exact secret of law of attraction. To attract anything, mostly people come to me for attracting their love back, and the person who understands this, they are actually attracting everything in their life. If you understand this single thing, guys, you will manifest everything in your life. What is this block? Let's come to this. Many people are chanting all the affirmations, repeating all the affirmations, morning to evening to afternoon, at night. When you are chanting this affirmation and you are not getting anything as a result of your manifestation, what is exactly happening, guys, is you are just chanting, thinking the manifestation will come now. By chanting, the manifestation will come. No, it is not going to happen like that. While chanting in present tense, you have now created the affirmation as your reality. I am in a happiest and joyous relationship with my person. When you say this sentence, this means right now you are actually with your person. Then how come you can think that now I have used a lot of affirmations, a lot of manifestation technique, my person is not here? Why your person is not here? Because you are just waiting for your person to magically manifest. No, everything depends on you. If you are repeating, I have a very happy and joyous relationship with my partner, what are you affirming? Affirmations mean that yes, right now this is your reality. You have chosen your reality. And why you are waiting? This means you are waiting. Now you are in lack frequency. You are vibrating low from the affirmation of the present you are using. If you have affirmed in the present tense, the consciousness says that this particular thing is my reality, then how can you wait for it? I see so many people, they are reading all kind of books, spiritual books and law of attraction books. They are still talking everything opposite to law of attraction. Their actions are really opposite to law of attraction and spirituality. We are born spiritual. We just have to awaken ourselves that yes, we are spiritual, right? And when it comes to spirituality, law of attraction is a part of it. You are powerful. We all are powerful. We all are love. We all are gods. It means you and me are same. And you have to mix yourself. You are not separate from your desire. Everything here is God. If you are desiring something, that is also you. You are powerful. Then if that is you, that is yours. I hope I am making you understand. Everything here is God. Nothing is not God. And if you are God and your desire is also God, how can you be separate from your desire? If you affirm that this is yours, then this is yours. A lot of time you are using all kind of manifestation techniques, but you are not in the alignment with your desire because you think in a lack frequency. You are vibrating in lack. That now I am waiting. I have used all kind of affirmations, all kind of manifestation technique. Now I am also waiting for the universal sign. That the universe is going to give me signs. No, it is not going to happen. What you fit in your subconscious mind is what you are going to get. You fit in your subconscious mind, I am using this affirmation. Now the desire will come and you are waiting, then wait will manifest. No, you do not have to do that. Okay, I highly recommend you need to, read Neville Goddard Law of Attraction books. These are the best and will actually help you out in understanding what is exactly law of attraction and manifestation. You do not have to go to astrologers or tarot reading in lack frequency. That what is in my future. You know what is your future. You have affirmed it. The main thing is feeling. Are you really feeling this is your manifestation, this is your reality? Everything you are seeing right now is your manifestation, which you have thought in the past. And if you think right now whatever desire you want in a present tense, then the future will be what you desire. Okay, right now whatever you are feeling inside is what a tarot reader is going to say. They are going to pick the same energy. It means you do not need anything. We do not need anything. Okay, for a confirmation, if you want, I can say, okay, if you are very positive, go to a tarot reader, go to an astrologer. They will say the same according to your positive feeling. If you are negative and you go to a tarot reader, then you are in a lack frequency and they are going to say the same thing. The future is not good. Okay, I don't want that you go in a lack frequency. Go with positive attitude. And even more best thing is you believe in yourself. Be confident that yes, whatever you think is actually possible. You are God, guys. I see a lot of YouTubers sharing all sorts of law of attraction technique and they believe in separate God. I do not believe. If I am powerful, then why should I believe in something separate? God has made us. If God has produced us, God has created us, then we are also God because we are God's children. I hope I am making you understand what is exactly law of attraction, how you can use it. Vibrate in the frequency of what you exactly desire, guys. Law of attraction is what? It is working on your feeling, not anything else. Whatever you are feeling right now about your desire, it is actually going to manifest in the future. If you are in lack frequency, the person doesn't message me. I don't know if the person has forgotten me. Yes, you are right. The person has forgotten you. And if you are in this frequency, the person loves me so much. He has called me. She has called me. And you at least visualize. Now I'm coming to a manifestation technique. With feeling, you are visualizing at least for 1 minute in the morning or at night. For 1 minute. That yes, you are talking to the specific person. That yes, you have got the job. With feeling, at least for 1 minute, if you can believe, then yes, it is going to be your future, a successful future with your specific person or with your successful job or career. But guys, the thing is, vibrate in that frequency. Here comes the law of assumption. Assume that yes, that's yours, at least for 1 minute. I hope I have made you clear. Thank you so much.